Do you need to replace your trimmer line? Well, mine has become brittle over time. So today on Fix It with Fowler, I'm going to show you how to replace this easily. The first thing you need to do is isolate the power supply to your strimmer. In my case, it's just a case of releasing the battery, but you may have to unplug it from the mains. Once you've done that, you can then turn that over and we can look at removing the spool. To release the spool from the trimmer, all you need to do is locate these two tabs on each side. If you press that in and lift it up slightly, turn it around and do the same on the other side, that will allow you to remove the cover, which will free the spool from the trimmer. To remove the trimmer line from the spool, just unwind it in the opposite direction and take a special note of how it's attached to the spool itself, because each model may vary. Now, on the back of the spool, you'll see that it tells you what size you need to replace it with, and make sure you order the right size. Now, mine is a 1.65mm, which is the right size for battery equipment, and I've ordered some of this from Amazon. It's really cheap and I'll be able to fill this spool several times. So to attach the line to the spool itself, in this instance, we go through this hole here, poke the end into that, and then you can just pull that tight and that locks that into place. Now, if we turn the spool over, it tells you which direction to then wind the trimmer line on, and then you can do that until the spool itself is full. Have you subscribed to my channel? Well, if not, why not? It does not cost a thing, and you're missing out on over 100 great DIY videos, all designed to save you money. So what are you waiting for? Leave this video a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to join me on my YouTube journey. Now you've wound the wire onto the spool itself, keep your finger on the wire, otherwise it will all unravel. Get the cap, feed the end of that through the hole on the cap itself and put the spool into position. You can then turn that over and locate that onto the head of the strimmer and make sure that these tabs locate into the right place. Once they're in the right place, you can then press the button on this strimmer and adjust this to the right length. So now that's all finished and you can carry on strimming. So hopefully you found this video useful and helpful. And if you have, please leave this video a comment. Don't forget to hit that like button. And the most important thing, subscribe to my channel for more great DIY videos.